third one, exponential distribution. Exponential distribution. So they asked us to find out the exponential distribution. So first we have to write the definition of the exponential distribution. Exponential distribution is alpha into e power minus alpha x, 0 less than x less than infinity, 0 otherwise. This is the definition of the exponential distribution. Is the probability distribution function of the exponential distribution Here also again the question they asked in the form of cumulative distribution function. They asked the question in the form cumulative distribution function. So we have to write the cumulative distribution function formula. F of x is equal to minus infinity to x f of x into dx. So I just break this integral in the two types, minus infinity to 0 f of x into dx, again 0 to x f of x into dx. So we can write directly for this function 0. So whatever we will substitute at the end, we will get 0. So remaining only integral 0 to x f of x into dx. Now in the exponential definition, our f of x is alpha into e power minus alpha x into dx. So alpha is a constant. Integration of e power minus alpha x is e power minus alpha x divided by minus alpha. Limit varies from 0 to x. Alpha will get cancelled. Minus I will write outside. Upper limit e power minus alpha x. Lower limit e power 0. So minus of e power minus alpha x minus e power 0 is 1. So multiply with the minus sign. 1 minus e power minus alpha x if 0 less than x less than infinity. If x is an exponential variate with mean 3. Find first one p of x greater than 1 and second one p of x less than 3. So in this question they asked us to, they have given the mean of exponential variate. So here we have to write the formula of exponential distribution, that is f of x is equal to alpha into e power minus alpha x, condition 0 less than x less than infinity, 0 otherwise. So already we have seen the formula of mean in the exponential distribution is 1 by alpha. So they have given the mean value is 3. 3 is equal to 1 by alpha. So alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So same thing we have to substitute in the exponential formula in the place of alpha. 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3, 0 less than x less than infinity, 0 otherwise. So first condition p of x greater than 1. So we can write 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1 condition. So 1 minus less than or equal to 1. Our lower limit is 0. So we have to write 0 to 1 f of x into dx, because in the given limit less than or equal to 1 means less than value is 3. So integral limit varies from 0 to 1. So 1 minus, in the place of f of x, we have to write this value. 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 into dx. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Integration of e power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. Limit varies from 0 to 1. Minus minus plus. Plus 1 by 3. Reciprocal of this 1 by 3 is 3. E power minus x by 3. Limit varies from 0 to 1. So 1 plus e power minus 1 by 3. When we are substituting the limit, e power minus 1 by 3. Again here minus 1. Lower limit minus 1. So here we get 1 minus 1 e power minus 1 by 3. 1.7165. This is the value of the first one. Now second one. P of x less than 3. P of x less than 3. So less than 3 means here also our lower limit is 0. So 0 to 3. F of x into dx. So again here f of x value is 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 into dx. So I write 1 by 3 outside. Integration of e power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3 divided by 1 by 3. Limit varies from 0 to 1. This 3 will get cancelled. Minus of e power upper limit 3 by 3 is 1. Again minus e power 0. So 1 1 1 minute. Yes. Here minus into minus plus e power 1 minus e power minus 1 is I write 1 by e. Now because 1 by e value we have to write, then we have to do minus with the term 1. So final answer is 0.6321. This is here also same. Exponential variate with mean 5. Evaluate first one, p of 0 less than s less than 1. Second one, p of minus infinity less than x less than 10. Third one, p of x less than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 0. Here also first we have to write the formula of the exponential distribution alpha into e power minus alpha x, 0 less than x less than infinity, 0 otherwise. This is the formula. Next, mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by alpha. But in the question they have given mean value 5 is equal to 1 by alpha. So alpha we get is 1 by 5. Now substitute in the exponential. So lower function it is 0. So only write the above one. For alpha we are substituting 1 by alpha e power x by 5. Here we can write the condition 0 less than x less than infinity. So come for the first problem, p of 0 less than x less than 1. So here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So 0 to 1 f of x into dx. Why I am taking means here they have not, yes, they have already given the limit 0 to 1. So now 0 to 1, 1 by 5 I will write outside e power x by 5 into dx. Again do the integration e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. Limit is from 0 to 1 minus e power minus 1 by 5 minus e power 0. That is 1 minus e power minus 1 by 5. 812. Next, second one, p of minus infinity less than x less than 10. So here minus infinity to 10 it will come. Now we have to define the integral. First one minus infinity to 0 f of x dx. Second one 0 to 10 f of x dx. So this will become 0. 0 to 10 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 divided by 1 by 5. Limit 0 to 10. So here minus e power minus 2, again minus e power 0. So e power 0 is 1 minus e power minus 2. 8646, 0.8646. Yes. Next one, they have given p of x less than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 1. So here we can write the formula 0 to infinity f of x into dx. So here less than or equal to 0. First limit from it will be 0 to 0 f of x into dx. Second limit is 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity f of x into dx, because they have given condition r. So r means here in the probability function it is plus. So integral limit varies from 1 to infinity. 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So 1 by 5, again same integration, it repeats e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. Again 1 to infinity. So 5 will get cancelled, minus e power minus infinity minus e power minus 1 by 5. So e power minus infinity is 0. So minus into minus plus e power minus 1 by 5 is e power minus 0.2. 187. In a certain town, the duration of a shower is exponentially distributed with mean 5 minutes. What is the probability that a shower will last for first one 10 minutes, or more. Second one, less than 10 minutes. Third one, between 10 and 12 minutes. 10 and 12 minutes. So here directly we have to write exponentially distributed means f of x is equal to alpha into e power minus alpha x. So here mean is equal to 1 by alpha, but they have given mean is 5. Phi is equal to 1 by alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1 by 5 e power x by 5. Now, first one here 10 minutes or more means p of x greater than or equal to 10. So, integral limit varies from 10 to infinity. 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. So here 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So 5 will get cancelled, remaining minus of e power minus infinity minus e power 2. So e power infinity is 0, minus into minus plus e power minus 2. 0.1353. Next, second one, less than 10 minutes means x less than 10. So here one more condition I forgot to write 0 less than x less than infinity. So less than 10 means 0 to 10 because lower limit is 0, 0 to 10, 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. Again e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5, 0 to 10. So minus of e power minus 2 minus e power 0. So 1 minus e power minus 2. That is, already we know the value of e power minus 2. Do directly 1 minus 0.1353. 8647. Next, last one. Between 10 to 12 minutes means p of 10 less than x less than 12. So 10 to 12, 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx. 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 divided by 1 by 5, 10 to 12 limit. 5 minus of upper limit e power minus 12 by 5, lower limit e power minus 2, that is equal to e power minus 2 minus e power minus 12 by 5. 0.0446. This is the answer. Yes. Let us off a telephone conversation. The length of a telephone conversation is an exponential variate with mean 3 minutes. Find the probability that a call, first one, ends in less than 3 minutes, ends in less than 3 minutes. Second one between 3 and 5 minutes. Between 3 and 5 minutes. So here also first we have to write, see wherever exponential variate is there we have to write the exponential formula, then we have to start the procedure, because here in this chapter we are going to study 4 types of distribution. So first, for normal and exponential, they will give the exponential variate or normally distributed. For binomial and Poisson, binomial always n will be less than 100. For Poisson, always n is greater than 100. But between these two, you have to choose which distribution you are going to solve. Condition is n is less than 100 for binomial, n is greater than 100 for Poisson. So here I write f of x is equal to alpha into e power minus alpha x. So 0 less than x less than infinity. Mean they have given is 3. So 3 is equal to 1 by alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So f of x is equal to 1 by 3 into e power minus x by 3. So first one ends in less than 3 minutes. So P of x less than 3. So 0 to 3 in limit f of x into dx. So 0 to 3 I write 1 by 3 outside e power minus x by 3 into dx. So 1 by 3 into e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. 0 to 3. Again 3 will get cancelled. Minus of e power minus 1 minus e power 0. So 1 minus e power minus 1. 0.6321. Next, between 3 and 5 minutes. So P of 3 less than x less than 5. Limit from 3 to 5. So 3 to 5, 1 by 3 I write outside e power minus x by 3 into dx. 1 by 3 e power integration of x by 3, e power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. 3 to 5. 3 will get cancelled. Minus e power minus 5 by 3. Again minus e power minus 1. So here we get e power minus 1 minus e power minus 5 by 3. Find out the value.